Hey family, I hope y'all doing good. I'm doing great over here. I'm making some Southern style green beans and white potatoes, just like your mama used to make. So let's get started. All right fam, you're going to need green beans, preferably fresh, but I'm doing it the easy way. A few slices of ham, but you can use bacon, salt, pork, or any type of smoked turkey meat. You're going to need some chicken better than bouillon base, russet or red potatoes, an onion, and black pepper and seasoning salt. So first we'll let our ham or whatever seasoning meat you have boil for about 15 to 20 minutes to make a nice flavorful broth. And now we can cut up our onion, and this is optional, but for added flavor you can fry it in a little bacon grease. That is so bad, but it is so good. Guess what? We're almost done. We're just going to add the ham and the potatoes and onions to the beans at this point. We'll give that a quick stir. Now we're ready to add our broth. We're going to pour it into the casserole dish, but just enough for it to be level with the rest of the ingredients. We don't want to saturate the beans too much. And now we can add 1 tablespoon of the chicken better than bouillon base, and I'm telling y'all, this stuff is the truth. Finishing touches are 1.5 tablespoons of seasoning salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Give it a stir, and then we'll bake this covered for 375 degrees for an hour and a half. Yeah, Southern style green beans and potatoes. Somebody pass me the cornbread. As always, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Give your girl a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.